And hi guys! So it's your resident vlogger and I'm back with the new camera. So ngayon, we're here in Naiya dahil aalis na naman po tayo. We're going to Japan. Na-awkward ako, hindi ako sanay. Pero ayun, it's been a while since my last vlog. Actually, ang dami kong travels this year. Hindi ko sila na-upload lahat. Hindi ako nakapag-edit. Hindi ang dami nangyari sa life ko this 2024. So I'm trying to do this vlog again for my family. Kasi nag-request sila na mag-vlog daw ako for memories. So happy kasi bago yung camera ko. As in, nabuda talaga ako ni Kuya Intoy. Hi Kuya Intoy, kung napapanood mo to. So ngayon, kinifilm ko to December 30. Ang daming tao, as in like nakaka-stress. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito karami ang tao. We went here around 9 o'clock, ata 8:30, something like that. And then yung flight namin is around 1 o'clock. Mga 10, I think 10. Doon pa lang kami nakalusot ng immigration. Ay, 11. Doon pa lang, hindi pa kami nakain. And guys, wala pa talaga akong tulog. At least nakalagpas na tayo, immigration. And I'm really excited for this trip kasi kasama parents ko. Buo kami. Mag-New Year kami sa Japan, sa Tokyo. Last year kasi, 2024, hindi kami pag-New Year sa Japan kasi we decided na around January 19 na lang kami. Nag-celebrate lang kami sa Philippines last New Year. Pero ngayon, may popular demand, mag-Japan tayo ulit. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa kanila. Sobrang daming tao. It's around 11:30, ilang hours na lang. Flight na natin. So, excited na talaga ako. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung paano i-edit ito. I'll make sure na marami talaga akong mag-vlog. So, excited na talaga ako. And dahil sa bago kong camera, as in like, guys, kinikilig ako sa camera. Ang ganda niya. So, see you guys later. Yun lang muna yung chika ko sa inyo. So, I'll be back. Bye-bye! Guys, pupunta kami ngayon na Asakusa. Wala kaming itinerary talaga dito. I-explore lang namin Asakusa. Dito kasi sa pinag-stayan namin, actually guys, wala masyadong tao. Medyo malayo siya dun sa train. Hindi naman malayo. 10 minutes walk lang. We're still trying to find a resto kung saan kami mag-dinner. Pero wala pa rin. Wala kaming mahanap na restaurant for us to have dinner. Yes. A Japanese village.
Tatanong niya rin sinabi niya po.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a love. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Dito lang kami sa may temple muna. Ito yung first stop namin. We got our tics given by our tour guide. Ito yung tour guide namin. Thank you. So ito yung tsura ng temple. Medyo crowded lang since it's holiday. Nagpipray daw dito yung mga Japanese. Ito yung tsura niya, guys.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
On the right, on the blue. What is that? Animal. With the stuff of animal. What is that? Okay, elephant. Yes, you're right. It's an elephant. You know, in 500 years or 400 years, Japanese never have an elephant animal in this land. So even have no image for that. You gotta read the book. What is it? Elephant. Yeah, imagination is like that. Okay, just to let you know about that little story for that. But this sculpture is beautiful. And this one, in Japan, actually, like what I say, emperor actually is a god, right? Emperor, they have their own shrine, like a Meiji emperor. They have a shrine. It's a god. Emperor is a god. But Tokugawa families, do you like what I say? Behind the actual real king, the real control, the power for whole nation. But you still a general. You still a shogun. It's not the level like a balance with the emperor.
Life is happy, but it's so insane. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Guys, super ganda dito sa Nikko. One of my favorite place. Parang matatalo niya na yung Fuji. For me, ang ganda dito.
Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.